retired from General Motors, a lot of guys want me to work on a car, and I couldn't do it in the garage, so I just did interior work. As it progressed, everybody wanted me to do more and more work, so we came out here, opened this shop up, and that was 13 years ago.
Hot Rods and Threads have been servicing gearheads since the year 2005. They do everything under one roof: fabricating, paint, and obviously interior.
Chris is a valuable asset. He's one of the best interior guys I've ever met.
With leather, sometimes you gotta manipulate it to where you want it, and it stretches a lot. And try to get it to where you want it.
Cool. There you go. All right. One shift your boot.
He walked in my shop about 3 years ago from Maine. He was doing Pebble Beach cars, and kind of worked him into the hot rod muscle car stuff, and he's been great ever since.
This is a good example of the kind of stuff that Hot Rods and Threads does. This truck's interior is built using 7 pairs of jeans.
We've got a top job coming in, named Robert Wolfenbarger. When he was a kid, he had a 65 GTO, and it was silver. He came across this one, but it was a Le Mans, so he wanted to turn it into a GTO and paint it silver. And it's kind of fulfilling his lifelong dream. Every time he comes in here, every 2 weeks, and looks at the car, he's just tickled to death.
Hot Rods and Threads, this is Peggy. How may I help you?
The red truck used to belong to Randy Travis, and he had a stroke, and Randy gave the truck to his brother, Dennis Trawick, who lives here local. And Dennis brought it to us to kind of finish it for him.
About 40 vehicles come through here annually, and it's been quite the experience for myself and quite the education learning about interior here at Hot Rods and Threads.
You know, if you've been around the car industry quite a while, you know, you learn the customer's trust. And guys will come in and say, this is kind of what I want. And we'll kind of draw the design on a seat and have him come in and look at it and says, how do you like this? And this is going to be a certain color. This is going to be a certain stitch. And if they give us the okay, we just go from there.
All good? Nice.
I'm done.
You're done.